Occupations.
Doctor.
Doctor.
The doctor helps sick people feel better.
Pilot.
Pilot.
The pilot flies airplanes in the sky.
Engineer.
Engineer.
The engineer designs machines and buildings.
Farmer.
Farmer.
The farmer grows crops and raises animals on the farm.
Soldier.
Soldier.
The soldier protects the country from harm.
Chef.
Chef.
The chef cooks delicious meals in the restaurant.
Surgeon.
Surgeon.
The surgeon performs operations in the hospital.
Nurse.
Nurse.
The nurse cares for patients and helps the doctor.
Judge.
Judge.
The judge makes decisions in the courtroom.
Firefighter.
Firefighter.
The firefighter puts out fires and saves lives.
Architect.
Architect.
The architect plans and designs beautiful buildings.
Sailor.
Sailor.
The sailor works on a ship and travels on the ocean.
Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video and love this English learning method. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.
Goodbye.